Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? So today I will be reviewing this helmet. It's called Compound X07 in gunship gray. It's a 3-in-1 helmet and it's really cool. It looks like something from Star Wars, to be honest. So basically this is how it looks like in full face version. Of course, it's a Harley Davidson DARA-approved product. And it's got a visor, so you can lift the visor up and down. So the first trick of this helmet is that you can press this button here and it releases this side. Also, same button on the other side. There you go. And then you can put this away in your saddlebag or backpack, and this becomes a 3/4 helmet. You still have the visor. You can put it down if you like. And the best part of this helmet, you gotta go on the reverse over here. There's a red button that you need to pull up, and then you pull this helmet apart. It's kind of tricky, but once you get used to it, you hopefully don't damage the helmet while you're doing it. It all comes apart. It becomes a half helmet with still a visor in it. I will put the part number and below link. Unfortunately, I don't know if you can get it in Canada. We had to go down to the States to get it. When I looked up on the website, this one is sold out in this particular color, but they have one in matte black. I will also put a part number and a link below. So if you guys want to get it, go to the harleydavidson.com website, and I'm sure you'll find something that you'll like. If not this one, then maybe in a different color or different style. Thanks for your feedback and likes. Shift gears and cheers.